Hello guys, let me show you how to draft a basic body block for a 4-year-old. First of all, get a block that will be able to accommodate half of your chest circumference and divide it into two. My chest circumference is 23 by 2 is 12.5. Then I added half an inch allowance and I used it to get the bust. Then I divided it into two. One will be my center front and my center back. The first thing is to add half of your shoulder measurements to the front and to the back. And the neckline I'm using is 2 inches by 2 inches for the front and 2 inches by 1 inch for the back. That is the neck width and the neck depth respectively. So connect with a curve like I am doing. And also the shoulder slope for the front is 0.75 and for the back is just half an inch. Then I will join the shoulder slope for the front and for the back. Go ahead and add your armhole depth, which is the arm side depth. This can be gotten by your chest circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. Mine is 5.23. Then I added it from the back bodies first. Then I drew a straight line. This line will be my chest line. The next line is my waistline. From my shoulder to my waist is 10 inches. So I just marked it and I labeled it as my chest line and as my waistline. Go ahead and connect what you have on your shoulder on that chest line so as to get your armhole depth for the front and for the back. Next is to get the quarter of your chest circumference and add it to the front and to the back. My chest circumference is 23, quarter of it plus my half an inch is, I am adding inch of half an inch to both the front and to the back. Then I'll get the midpoint of the front and the back armhole depth and I'll mark it. On the front part, I'll come in by half an inch. I'll connect with a curve like so. And on the back part, you can as well come in by quarter of an inch or you leave it straight. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it straight, but you can as well go in by quarter of an inch. Then on the waist part, 21 divided by 4, I just added it, plus my half an inch is allowance and to the back as well. So I'll connect the chest line to the waistline. And next is to come down by half an inch for my front part. This is to accommodate the tummy of the child and I'll connect it straight to the back part. The back part is just straight, but at the center front, I'll just come down by half an inch. I'll cut this out. If you notice, my front part is curvy. So I'll just label as my shoulder line and measure your armhole. This is what we'll be using to cut out our sleeve in our next tutorial. So stay tuned. And for the back part, I'll be cutting it times 2. And for the front, I'll cut it on fold. So I'll just mark the line to the end and make sure both lines are the same length because the sides are meant to be the same. Then for the front is longer by half an inch. So this is what we'll have. Do give me a follow. I have a lot to share with you on this channel. Thank you.